In Texas, public schools are essential for educating children, but many people don't understand school funding. So, what is the purpose of a school bond election and what does it mean for taxpayers? School districts can receive funding from local property taxes, the state, and federal government. These funds are split into two main components: maintenance and operations, or M&O, and interest and sinking, or INS. M&O pays for everyday district operations, including salaries, books, and building maintenance. In contrast, the INS side pays down debt for capital projects like facility renovations, technology upgrades, and enhancing school safety and security. School bond elections allow community members to decide if the school district can issue bonds. If the bond is approved, a new INS tax rate is established. Bond elections can take place in May or November, and only registered voters living within the school district can participate. These bonds fund upgrades to facilities, infrastructure, and equipment directly impacting our public schools. Notably, in 2023, legislation delivered the largest property tax cut in Texas history. The combination of compression and the $100,000 homestead exemption cut school property taxes for a homestead property. Current homeowners ages 65 and over will not be impacted by the passage of this bond. Their school taxes will not go above the frozen dollar amount that was established when the over 65 exemption was granted. To have your school taxes frozen, you must file a homestead application with the appropriate appraisal district and be granted the over 65 exemption. Your vote matters. Register to vote and ensure your voice is heard in the next school bond election.